Ka school ba Captain Williamson Sangma State University la Pynlong ye jiprishai pai ba ka ba sausni hak we day ber artificial intelligence ya ga jinghikai la Pynlong hapo ka school ba habala gre ha South West Garo Hill District ya ga ne jing ai jiprishai las dang hak pratering ba la pankut mentakas ngi ka khatering na pra arjar pesan ya ga ne jing ai jiprishai la trelang ber St Anthony's College Shillong da ga jingkershan na ka North Eastern Council jang ka sarkar pedeng kinong kran hagini sausngi klapan shai ba kane ka artificial intelligence klawan ra jingkla hak pulek thi hak porthei bro kawei hagini sausngi kinong kran klapan shai bagladon kajia pher hapdeng artificial intelligence kabla yai menta arfusan hadu laifusnem bar kane ka generic artificial intelligence kabla trekam nado usnem arjar kulai kumba klapau kumka chat gpt kinong aji pensyai hagane jinghikai ba sausni kilong ulawan ma kima Dr. Urjal Marjid ban Dr. Tei Tamsu Longkumer kibla aji jinghikai hagane sngi yagane jinghikai ba sausni la pli daga deputy commissioner jongka southwest Garo Hill ka Hema Nayang hagane jinghelang kibla yashimata kidek samla pule nagte ka school ba
GenAI is a short form of generative artificial intelligence. So the AI that we have known for the last 20, 30 years was not GenAI. So I'm sure that we all have heard about ChatGPT, right? We all know ChatGPT. ChatGPT is nothing but GenAI, right? Why it is GenAI? Because it generates, right? So that's a simple word, but at least if we know that word, it's a great learning already, right? What is Gen AI? It's generative artificial intelligence. Why that is? Because it generates the words. That never happened in the AI world before 2023. Before 2023, all that we know was that prediction, weather predictions and languages and all that stuff we had, but the actual generative AI was not there. And another takeaway that I want you to write down is that where the Gen AI come from. The Gen AI concept came from a book, one research paper back in 2017. The book name is Attention is All You Need. This is the most quoted AI paper around the world. The most quoted. If you know at least that paper, you go and search that. Try to know at least something because you may be doing research next year or some years down the line. That paper is something that you will quote in your research. If you do not quote that paper in your research, that means your AI research is incomplete. That's how important that book is. 2007. And another another lesson that I want to include here in that topic is see that attention all you need book was a research paper from Google researchers 2017. You know who all people came out using that book and make the most brilliant Gen AI? It was not those people who did the research. It was somebody else. Google did that research. They came up with a brilliant paper, but it was an open AI people, the other engineers who came up and built ChatGPT. You know, today where ChatGPT is over toppling Google, ChatGPT is coming on top. That's what I showed that 100 million users that they've got in the first year of their release. 100 million users. So that's something that we need to learn. You may be working hard in your studies, but the end result is always different. That's innovative thinking that you'll have to have. Today you are doing studies, you're writing papers, you work so hard, but the end practical uh, use is different. So that's what we have seen in AI. The paper was written by Google researchers, but somebody else used it. Somebody else used that idea and making it practical.